I always wanted to be an artist. Even as a child, I knew already. It's the perfect mix out of doing something with my hand and being creative and also managing to have a career. I love observing what's happening outside, the overall feeling of the people or the city. When you kind of like get a feel for everything, you start like realizing what's actually like drawing your attention. Is it this color combination or is it that plant? And creating from there. I created most of the body of my work in the past 2.5 years, which is insane. I mean, when did I do all of that? I've worked on lots of textile designs, exhibited in New York and Paris, commissioned for commercial work, for websites, for apps, startups, and bigger companies. I'm happy that I have so much work, especially because I really never thought it would be possible. When I was 17 to 21, I had lots and lots of seizures, daily almost. I couldn't function properly anymore, and they kept on giving medication to me and increasing it and increasing more and more and more because the seizures got more and more and more. But nobody really listened or wanted even to check, like, what's going on with her. I couldn't be a part of the life everybody else was living, and I was separated and isolated so much that I couldn't talk to anybody. I always felt like that I'm not enough or that I'm imperfect, like I should be quiet in the back, because if you're not perfect, so what do you have to add to everybody's life? After 4 years, I finally decided to change and switch the doctor. They finally found out that I have a brain tumor. They operated. And since then, I'm free of the seizures. In my work, I choose to have a lot of colors, to be louder, to be not isolated anymore. Showing the confidence within the bad experience that somebody is owning and is still very strong, and that somebody can always stand up from something that brought them down. The Adobe Stock Artist Development Fund resonated with me right away. I thought it's such an amazing opportunity. The creative brief for celebration of self was the thing that spoke to me the most. My process is working 90% on the iPad. My go-to application is Adobe Fresco for sketching. It's easy to work with, it comes very naturally, it's very intuitive. It's almost like you have a piece of paper in front of you. For sketching, it's just perfect. There is so many people out there who are still hiding in their situations and with their challenges because they haven't been accepted or society haven't been very inclusive. Creating for Adobe Stock gives me the freedom to create what I want and what I feel like is needed in the world and the message I want to share. So I hope we can build a community where also others feel inspired and feel supported and rise from that.